No, let's go ahead in and check it out.
Alright, hang on, let me
Here's the entrance. Come on, it's okay. I guess it's okay. Let's go this way where nobody's at. No touching, Reese. I'm gonna make his leash a little tinier. Oh, look, it's also a fruit stand. Look at that giant turtle. Oh. Cool. Look at that.
I'm going this way.
What? I was gonna go down there by the giant chicken. Alright. These are all made out of metal.
Look at the lizard suit.
What is it? Oh, that's cool. That would be cool in the backyard.
Stuff to hang on the house.
Yeah.
Look, frog with the lily.
Oh, that's cute.
There's another one over there. How much are they?
Too much.
129.
Yeah. There's little suns or. Oh,
Another giraffe.
The pig for Veronica. Reese, quit sniffing everybody. Let's go this way. Look at that dude. Yeah.